Chris Morrison, Senior Business Development Manager for Delta Electronics. I'm here today to talk about one of our new products we have coming out for 2022, the Air Mover AMR 1200. The Air Mover is a new product for Delta Electronics, and just like everything else that Delta Electronics does, we want to make this the most efficient product that's on the market. And we're doing so by introducing this with a DC motor. Now the DC motor is going to give us a number of advantages. The first being, of course, energy efficiency. This Air Mover only uses 97 watts. Now that's versus over 300 watts on many of the competing products that also have about 1200 CFMs. The other advantage this gives us is that we're going to be able to daisy chain so many of these because the amp is only 1.4 amps. So we can daisy chain these together for up to 8 units. So all of them will run. Another exclusive thing that Delta did is that we moved the sockets. Instead of being on one side of the vents, we decided to put it on the back, allowing us to put the things here and have the dual intake on both sides. This will allow even more airflow. Another advantage of the DC motor is the fact that it's lightweight. You'll notice there's no handles on this, there's no wheels. That's because you don't need to. I'm picking this up with my pinky. This is only 12 pounds. This is incredibly light. Another great advantage of having the DC technology is that it is super quiet. I'm going to put this on high, and this is only 55 decibels. Regular conversation is 60 decibels. Most of the competing products that are out on the market are 60, 65, even over 70 decibels. So you run a couple of these on any project that you have, and this is going to be much quieter than anything else that you see. It's also stackable, so you can place the items in storage. You can stack up to 4, just like this. Now, just to show some of the features here, you see the on-off button. I can turn it on and off. When I turn it on, it will give me the counter. I can also select the fan speed by going up to medium and then going up to high. And then also I can change from the counter over to the timer, which will allow me to go from half hour to 1 hour, 2 hours, 4, all the way up to an 8-hour timer. Now by putting the sockets on the side, we are able to have that dual intake. That is a patent by Delta Electronics. That, along with this tapered neck, is going to be able to push a lot more airflow. It's actually going to reach 32 feet. We also have 3 different drying positions. We have this for the carpet, this to dry walls, and this to dry ceilings. So all of these features, better efficiency, lighter weight, more features. We think this is going to be a great product for Delta Electronics. Thank you.